Last week, Claude released a major update that's completely changing the way I work with apps like Adobe and Canva, because you can now design in Claude and send to them to finish. Hi, my name is Zachary, and I want to show you how to set this up along with some other cool new Claude features. Let's get into it. For example, we're working on a new website within Atarim, and I'd love to get started on some icons because I'm just having trouble coming up with ideas. So let's insert a prompt and see what it gives us. This looks pretty good, probably not amazing, but what makes this so cool is that now we can ship it off to Adobe and finish it by hand rather than fighting with the chatbot. So now you can just go to export and send to Adobe, and oh damn, it looks like I hit my usage limit. If you have any tips on saving on token usage, let me know while I message my coworkers about increasing my limit. I'm all sorted now, and here they are in Adobe Express. We can edit them here and make them so much better. And like a lot of AI tools, you're really only limited by your imagination. I can also have Claude Design make ad images for our new Do It feature and push them to Canva to finish. For example, if you're working with our WordPress plugin and the agentic AI team spots an issue, you can hit Do It and they'll make the change instantly. You can also hit Undo if you decide you don't like it. Anyway, here's the prompt to make our ads, and I'm very excited to see what it comes up with.
A few moments later.
Here's the finished product. They look pretty good. There's some obvious design errors. Like I said, I'm probably not going to ship this out of the box, but let's send to Canva real quick and finish them up. And here they all are in Canva. I'm kind of glad it knew to make it 3 different pages rather than trying to fit it all in one. And after a few minutes of tweaks, I was able to get them looking really good. Here's the after. There's 3 other big things that came with this update. Like for example, Claude Design now remembers your brand, like your logos, your colors, your typography, so you don't have to put it in every time. And that's so amazing for an update like this where you can start designing and push to these other tools. Another really cool thing you can do now is edit the design right on the canvas like a regular design tool instead of fighting with the chatbot. You can also now sync Claude Design and Claude Code and send any design to become a website without rebuilding it from scratch. So if you enjoyed this video, you've got to check out the one we did last week on 5 Claude workflows that are really saving me so much time because a lot of people just use Claude as a chatbot. My name is Zachary, and I'll catch you in the next one.